Okay, so this origami piece is something I learned to make when I was a little kid. My dad was in the Navy and he used to work on an aircraft carrier where they had jets. So this is like a jet. It does not fly. It's just like a little model. You can color it. You can make a whole fleet of them. And you make it out of normal computer paper or lined paper. Lucy's making it with me, right? Mm-hmm. So here's how you do it. You take normal paper and you fold it in half like this. As accurately as possible. So now we're going to look on one end. So what you do is you take one end and you take this corner, this edge, and line it up to this edge by doing an angled fold. Make sure everything lines up. Undo that and then you cross it the other way too. And it should all line up. It should be a perfect X. Like that. Okay. Now you open that up. Now you turn that over on the same end, and you're going to fold it to those two corners to make a single line that goes right through the X. All right, now come back over where you were like this. And then what you can do is you can take your finger to the middle, push it down, and it'll go pop. And the sides want to pop in. Bring the sides together and down, right? So you're going to bring the sides inward and down, and then this part will flatten down to make a triangle.
Like you're making a frog.
It is kind of like making a frog, actually. I was just thinking about that the other day. Okay, now turn it on. Yep, now you're going to repeat that on the other side. Also like a frog. If you follow the frog tutorial, that uses a square. So you're going to go corner to corner, make that crease, and then you go this way as well. And that makes the X. Now you have to turn that over, fold that to corners, back over like this. Push in the middle, pop. The sides want to come in and down. And then you flatten this top part out to a triangle. You got it? All right, so here's what you do next. Turn it sideways. And then under the flaps, you're going to grip the paper. You're going to fold it into the middle, about the middle. Doesn't matter which side. You're on one side. There you go. And then you're going to do the same thing on the other side. This thing is very symmetrical. Okay, so now on one end, we're going to make these the front of the plane. So you turn it this way, and you think of it like you're making a paper airplane. You take this side, and you're going to take the long edge, line it up to the middle, like almost like you're making a paper airplane. And then you do the one across from it. Crease it really well. Okay, you got to crease it really well. The creases have to be very sharp. Okay, now here's how you make it. You're going to take this end, and what you're going to do is you're going to bend it over like this. When you bend it over, the way you assemble it is these two corners are going to be inserted into these two slots that you get. Like this. And then you end up with something like this. And then what I always do is I always smush it down and I flatten it like this. And then I fold this up on the back. And then we end up with a little fleet. Let's see yours, Lucy. This is your first one ever. There you go. This goes in like that. There we go. See, you got 3 friends there, don't we? High five. All right.